If you're a security system installer, I have something super important for you. Google Business Profile isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for getting free leads. In this video, I will explain why every installer needs one and how to set it up so customers can find you easily. And there is one big mistake that many installers make. Watch until the end to make sure you are not losing customers because of it. But also, we are making a whole series about growing security business. For example, in the next video, we will show you step-by-step tutorial how to create your Google Business Profile. So subscribe now and you don't miss it. Okay, so let's imagine someone needs a security camera installation at home or in the office. What do? They go to their Google and type security installer near me. Since I'm in Montreal, here is what I see, a list of companies in local search results. And look at this! There is also an article on Pipl Systems website about the best security installers in Montreal. I recommend you checking it out. But now let's talk about why Google Business Profile is so important and how ranking in the top 3 or even top 5 can bring you more clients. This tool is powerful and here is why. At first, you appear in local searches. When people search for a security installer, Google shows business profiles first, so customers see you before your competitors who don't have one. The second, it builds trust instantly. Your profile shows your address, phone number, work photos, and customer reviews. And all of this makes your business look more reliable. And the third reason is completely free. You don't need to pay for ads. If your profile is set up correctly, it will bring you a lot of leads by itself. And the last, clients can contact you directly. Customers can call you, message or ask questions right from Google. No middleman, no extra costs. If you're a security system company, you should definitely check our website pipl.systems. There we create content specifically for security industry. At first, case studies with installers, showcasing their most interesting projects. Also, video podcasts and interviews with installers, distributors and manufacturers. And the rankings of the best companies in different cities across Canada and US. So, want more clients and business opportunities? We can feature your projects, add your company to our rankings, or record interview. This is a real way to showcase your business to those actively searching for security services. Get in touch. Contact details are in the description or email me directly. Remember the mistake I mentioned at the start. Let's talk about it now. A lot of installers choose the wrong business category when setting up their profiles. For example, if your profile says security supplier instead of security installer or security system installation, Google won't show you when people search for installation service. This is important. The way you set up your profile tells Google who your ideal customers are and when to show your business in search results. So now let's go over some key tips to make sure your profile works at full power. At first, check that all information is complete and includes important keywords. List all services clearly. Instead just saying we install cameras and alarms, write things like video surveillance installation for home and businesses, or access control system setup, alarm system integration. This helps Google understand what you do and show your profile to the right people. Second, collect reviews regularly. Don't ask, all your customers to leave reviews at the same time. If Google sees 50 new reviews appear in one day at the same time, Google can think that this is spam and it might delete them. I had this in history even of my company. So instead, ask clients gradually and send them a direct link to your profile. It makes leaving a review easier. And the third, keep your content fresh. Regularly Add photos, videos of your work, team and projects. Active profiles rank higher in search results. So, Google Business Profile is a free and powerful tool that helps you get customers. The key is to set it up correctly and keep it updated. Like I said, in our next videos we will show you step-by-step tutorial how to create your Google Business Profile. So whether you are just starting or want to improve, it will be super useful for you. Subscribe to Pipl system so you don't miss it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I will be happy, super happy to help you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye.